Before I get into the video, guys, I am doing a huge giveaway to people who like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll give you a couple of seconds to go ahead and do both of those, and let's get into the video. Hey guys, so I just spent a few hours searching for a working method on how to get free Apple Music. And I've successfully managed to find a method, guys, that's going to get you a 12-month Apple Music subscription for completely free. So sit back, relax, watch this tutorial, guys, because I'm going to show you exactly how to go and do it. Okay guys, so this is the much requested tutorial to show you how to get free Apple Music. This is going to get you a 12-month subscription, so let's get into it. You need to use your mobile phone. I'm using my iPhone, but doesn't matter if you don't have an iPhone. If you have an Android, it still works, of course. And you've got to head on over to this website on your mobile, www.wavycoupons.com. So spell it like this, guys. Head on over to Wavy Coupons. This website is absolutely awesome. They don't only have Apple Music, of course. They have tons and tons of different pages. As you can literally scroll down and see whatever you fancy, guys. They usually have it. They have tons of pages. They have Spotify. They have like Nike, all sorts. So head on over to the search bar and type in Apple, and you're looking for this page, the Apple Music subscription / iTunes codes. Now you can see here, let me just zoom in. These coupons are limited in number, so there is a bit of a process to unlock your personal code, but don't worry, it's super easy to do. I'm going to show you how to do it. So you can see you can get a free 12-month Apple Music subscription. You can also get an iTunes gift card if you wish, and then click Show Coupon. Now, of course, a 12-month Apple Music code is pretty valuable. This is not exactly cheap. Apple Music, I think, is around $10 US a month. So this could be around $100, but these codes are protected. Now, as I mentioned, of course, this is worth money. So people create robots to steal all of these codes. So this prevents it. So tap unlock code. Now I've already got my Apple Music subscription, so I'm not going to do it. And you can see these are limited codes. But you're going to see a new screen, guys, once that gets to the end, and it's going to tell you how to unlock your code. It does take about 5 to 10 minutes to complete a couple of these simple tasks to verify yourself as a real person. They're all completely free. It just takes a little bit of time, and I guess this website makes a little bit of money from advertisements. So yeah, it's a win-win situation. You get the Apple Music for free, and yeah, so just follow the instructions. Go to wavycoupons.com and go ahead and get your free Apple Music. Enjoy, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Once you have your code, by the way, you can literally just, once it's revealed, you can copy and redeem it directly in your Apple Music app. Enjoy. I'll see you in the next one.